Preventing musculoskeletal pain through postural education. Postural education should be one of the things strict emphasis must be laid when it comes to issues with musculoskeletal pain. Many people are going through some form of pain in a specific part of their body as a consequence of prolonged assumption of awkward postures. Often, bad postures have direct consequences on numerous body parts, but most common and disabling part is when it affects the spine. Anatomically, the human spine has a normal curve. Various regions of the spine, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral region have their normal curve. This normal curve in the various spinal regions must be maintained, no matter our body's position in sitting, standing, lying, and during lifting. However, various forms of positions of our body in either sitting, lying, standing, and more importantly, during lifting, poses these regions of the spine to a wrongful posture which various soft tissues like muscles, ligaments, tendons, and articular cartilage are put under stress, and its resultant effect will be pain. This is the main reason to the rampant increase of back pain and various spinal deformities nowadays. Hence, the importance of postural education in the prevention of musculoskeletal pain. This video enlists some examples of bad and good postures in sitting, lying, standing, and lifting, which is purposed to create awareness to numerous forms of bad postures to the public in order to minimize the rampant rise of musculoskeletal pain in the African communities and the world at large. Ideally, whenever you sleep in supine, place one pillow for your head and one at the back of your knees. In the same way, when you sleep by your side, one pillow must be placed for the head and another in between your knees exactly as shown. The thickness of your mattress also plays a vital role for sleep hygiene. Your mattress must not be too soft or hard. The thickness must be moderate. Orthopedic mattress or high-density latex foam mattress will be recommended in this case. Pillow adjustment is also important when sleeping. It is not good to sleep without pillow in order to keep the cervical spine to its normal curve. However, when your pillow is too soft or hard too, it also not support the cervical curve so well. The thickness must be moderate. The pillow can be just an improvised folded towel or an orthopedic designed pillow. The whole head can lie on the pillow or just the neck lies on it depending on the size of the pillow. Fortunately, there are pillows available on the market specially made to fit the head so well, which you can get one for yourself. Standing upright in a good posture requires that your head and your spine are straight. Your shoulders must properly be aligned without slouching your body. Do not lean your head forward or backwards extremely. Sitting posture is so important. Most activities are performed in sitting, and many office workers sit most of the time. A chair with proper back support and armrest is required for proper sitting posture. Your legs must reach the floor when sitting. This goes on to say that your chair must not be too high or low in terms of height. Sit upright in the chair whilst keeping your back and neck straight, with your legs projected forward and shoulders aligned with your legs. Any position apart from this will be bad sitting posture. Even though good sitting posture is important, prolonged sitting with good posture can still pose risk for back pain. Periodically have breaks for light body stretches if your work exposes you to sit so long. For people whose jobs involve lifting such as mason, construction workers, sellers of construction materials, and even the ordinary person, lifting techniques is so important to you. For proper and safe lifting, these tips must be considered and adhered. 1. Assess the load and plan to lift. Ask for help if the load is so heavy for you. 2. If you can lift it alone, then position your body in front of the load. Spread your feet, shoulders width apart for balance. Put one foot back to boost stability. 3. Lift with your knees flexed using your leg muscles, but avoid deep squatting. Maintain the natural curve of your spine throughout. 4. Position the load close to your body, tighten abdominal muscles. 5. Shift the load to one side so you can see where you're going to. 6. When putting the load down, maintain the curve of your spine and use your leg muscles for motion and support. Interestingly, we must not forget that talking about good posture, many sex positions must be dumped. Many positions for intercourse are just so hectic to bear sometimes by one or both partners, and this poses risk for back pain. Try to make adjustments with pillows for certain sex positions to keep the normal curve of the spine throughout the 5 to 15 minutes journey. Try to adhere to safe positions during intercourse, and where possible, make adjustments with pillows to support the body for more safe and pleasurable sexual satisfaction. Viewers, good posture is important as far as we want to augment our recovery from musculoskeletal pain. Even when we get the best therapy for our pain, it will be cost 90 when we don't adapt to correct body posture, especially when the main cause of our pain is bad posture. Remember to practice good postures to stay prevented from musculoskeletal pain. Thanks.